Imam Muhammad al-Baqir, the fifth Imam in the lineage of Prophet Muhammad, was known for his profound knowledge and wisdom. One day, a man approached him with a perplexing question about human nature and spirituality. The man asked, "O Imam, how can I understand the duality within myself, the constant struggle between good and evil?" Imam al-Baqir responded with a story. Imagine two wolves fighting inside you. One represents evil, anger, greed, and jealousy. The other represents good, love, kindness, and humility. The one that wins is the one you feed. The man was enlightened by this simple yet profound analogy. Imam al-Baqir had illustrated the essence of human nature and the power of choice in a way that was easily understood and deeply impactful.